A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, green color, orange color, blue color, purple color, yellow color, red color,
A is for alligator. A for apple, adorable apple picking adventure.
A is for apple.
B is for ball. B, bouncy ball fun with friends.
B is for ball.
C is for cat. C, cuddly cat playtime.
C is for cat.
D is for doll. D, delightful doll dress up.
D is for dog.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury
E is for egg.
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man.
E, exciting Easter egg hunt.
Who lives on Drury Lane.
E is for elephants.
Do you know the Muffin Man?
F is for frog.
The Muffin Man
F, fantastic frog and toad tails.
on Drury Lane.
F is for fish.
Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
G is for glass. G, giggly glass painting art.
G is for gorilla.
Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on
H is for hat.
Yes, we know
H, happy hat making for kids.
the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin
H is for horse.
Drury Lane.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H,